Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay?
This is trial. See the birthday clothes. This girl is hey, this girl is on fire. Happy birthday to me. Oh, don't mind me, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So I'm like hyper. So right now I want to make up. Today is Sunday 13th February 2022. So I'm about to do makeup so I can go to church. So catch you.
I was done with my makeup and I looked really amazing. I looked beautiful, right? I know. So this was me on my way to church. I got to church. Church was amazing. I was excited that I got to be at my favorite place on my favorite day. It was surreal. I enjoyed every bit of church. I had to go pick up my birthday cake. My mom is not with me currently, so she ordered cake. I was so excited because I thought I wasn't going to have any birthday cake. I love that woman. And this is the beautiful cake my mom got me. Now mom made a grown girl cry. Thank you, mommy. Hi Sarah, what's up? Beyonce is shaking. Beyonce they shake. I was kind of used to being someone. Happy birthday. Guess who is he?
There's a glass cup and there's a tissue paper.
No, you didn't say it correctly. What did you say? You said phone, glass cup. Must it be? You know what? It must be. No. It must be accordingly. It must be accordingly. You said the phone accordingly.
Glass cup. So what did you say? Glass cup.
No. No. Like.
You don't get it.
No, I already said. Oh yeah.
See three of them. In the box there's a phone, there's a glass cup, and there's tissue paper.
In the box there's a phone, a glass cup, tissue paper, and charger.
In the box there's a phone, a glass cup, tissue paper, and charger, and food.
In the box there is a Wait. There's no rule for speed now. There's no rule. Oh no, bro. Glass cup. Okay,
Tissue paper, charger, food.
No, that one is making the point.
There's a man beating his daughter and Paul driving to Maraba.
There's a man beating his daughter, Paul driving to Maraba, and Messi going to our office.
His daughter, Paul driving to Maraba. He gave in our office.
A girl driving to our office. That's wrong. Five. Hey, but five.
Why did you say now?
What?
I don't want to take a issue.
Oh yeah.
In the box, Bola isn't being very nice.
Okay.
In the box, Bola isn't being very nice. Bola is nice.
In the box, Bola isn't being very nice. Bola is nice, and there's a cake. In the box, Bola isn't being nice. Bola is nice. Bola is being nice. There's a cake and water.
I beg, let's go with that. Yes,
Oh yeah, Kodalo. I was even concentrating. Kodalo. I was even concentrating. Good.
In the box,
Jesus. Oh yeah, just join us.
Yes, 3 anything, 3 facts.
Ask.
No, 3 facts. Oh yeah.
Steve first, no?
Oh yeah.
First, I graduated from IG as a business management student. Second one.
This one is like, because you just told the same thing.
Wait.
Sorry, I just want to say something.
No.
Wait. I just want to say something. I feel like you just gave 2 different information.
How?
He
graduated from UJ with business management. No, he graduated with Is it your fact? Exactly.
I'm going to press up.
For me, I only take Heineken. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to ride a bike.
Sorry, start again.
For beer, I only take Heineken. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to ride a bike.
no time.
Wait, what are the other two?
You don't know how to take Heineken. You don't know how to swim.
He doesn't know how to ride a bike.
And you don't know how to ride a bike. So the lie is.
That goes before your hand.
The lie is.
I don't tell you explain you there.
Oh yeah, talk. We go do our press up together and wait for you.
I don't tell you explain if you like don't talk that one.
Don't tell her, let her push. She deserves to start punishment.
No, communicate. No communicate.
See, if you get it, you get it.
Because it's actually easy.
That's why I said.
I want to go already.
Wait, if I fail, what will you guys do?
You will do press up. You will do it.
You will learn today.
You will learn today.
She won't press us to frog jump.
You know this thing. I know why.
If and only
Hi, so this is an unboxing of the birthday gifts I received. This first one is a box and it contains human hair, curly human hair with closure. It also contains this deflated helium balloon. Love helium balloon, but it has been deflated. I think I will insert the picture later. It contains a beautiful love note. Contains shoes, a pair of shoes, and it's a heel, sandal heel, and so pretty. It contains a rose and also a perfume. Really amazing box. I wanted to do like a sit down unboxing, but yeah, no time, so just manage this, okay, and enjoy my sweet voice. Next gift I received is this beautiful white handmade bag. This bag is so cute. I have never owned a white bag, so it's really a thoughtful gift. It's classy, it's chic, it has like stripes all around it, and overall it's just really cute girly bag, and I totally love it, and I'm grateful for it. This is a deflated helium balloon. I think I'll still post a picture later. I got this Ankara material for my boss. If you know me, I'm a big fan of Ankara, so I love these gifts. I got wine. This is sweet wine, I guess, and I know I would really totally enjoy it. Next gift is a gift that accompanied another gift, and it contains a perfume and a pack of candy. If you know me, I'm a candy girl, so I love candies, and I'm sure by the time I'm releasing this video this is all gone, like totally gone. The next gift, oh my god, this is a 3-piece wear. It contains shorts, the top, and a kimono, and it's giving beach vibes, baby. So yeah, you guys, invite me to the beach soon. This gift was accompanied by this shirt, so this person really just wants me to go to the beach, period. The next gift is a journal, a novel, and chocolate. This gift was really thoughtful. If you know me, I love to journal. I can never have enough journals, so yeah, it was really amazing. What the note that was written in the book, in both the book and the journal, amazing. It's thoughtful. Chocolate. Every girl loves chocolate. Not every girl, but I love chocolate, and I'm grateful for the gift. It was really thoughtful and nice. Yeah, so I'm grateful for it. The next gift, that's the one that accompanied the wine and the candy, was a spa date. You guys, my girls booked me a spa date. I was really excited about this gift because I really needed it. So I got this Ankara material also, and it was really pretty. I got this wine. I actually got other wines, but like we just took it on the birthday, so I didn't have time to snap. I got this cake. I also got a lot. I was just excited. My phone was beeping. I'm like, you get money. If you know me, I love money gifts, so yeah, it was really amazing. I got this wonderful gift on my birthday eve, and I was really excited. Like, you guys are the best. Thank you.
Lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to.